Hello RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. I have my friend Tim here with his Guillow's Snap&Fly biplane. He has flown it before and I posted a video, so I'll put it down in the comment section, description section. So now he fixed this one, which is a biplane. He told me that it was missing some actuator rods, control rods going to the back, so he jerry-rigged it. And Tim, would you like to tell the audience what you did?
Well, let me see. Whoops, okay, what's going on with this one?
So it is plastic, right? Those rods coming out?
Yeah, these are the original ones.
Okay.
And I hot glued on some extensions because I crashed and these popped off and I lost them in the grass. Everything is so small.
And then you cannot find probably spare parts for this, so
no,
you had to
I don't think so.
Improvise. Well, I hope it will fly well. It is a little windy. The forecast showing it right now 10 miles an hour from west. But hopefully it will be a good flight. Is this slower than the one with the canards?
Yeah, it is. So it's easier. It's not quite as squirrely. I gotta put on my glasses.
All right. Well, I will let you adjust it.
Give me a minute.
Okay, I'll give you a minute. All right, looks like it is ready to take off, huh? Get launched.
Yep, everything looks neutral. We got power. Wind is coming.
Yeah, wind is coming from west, so it may be a good idea to give yourself some room.
Yeah, it should fly slower than the canard, which is.
But probably it will also get affected a little more, maybe. We'll see. All right, good luck. Happy flying.
Oh boy, there's a lot of wind for this thing.
Yeah, but you're doing pretty good.
It's like a potato chip, you know.
Just keep it 3 mistakes high, right?
I'm just gonna try and just be cool. No stabilization, man.
No stabilization, all manual. All manual on this one. You're doing great, Tim. And it is singing.
Yeah,
I love that singing.
I think they did that, you know, just for fun. I don't think it needs to resonate.
No, I don't think so. Yeah. I think it's a feature. I like it.
Yeah, I always liked flying this one. It was just a little more manageable.
Oh, good save.
I have to land it.
Okay, you have to land it. All right. That was good flight. I mean, considering the wind, it wasn't great because it is so lightweight. It is so lightweight. I think the magnetic bottom came off, but it seems to be all good.
Yeah, there's just hardly anything to it. Look how thin the wings are. It's just what is that? A
and then
16th of an inch.
I think it's expanded polystyrene, so
yeah,
it's some form of styrofoam. It is very lightweight. I mean, it's amazing that you could fly it actually today because
yeah.
I mean, as soon as you go up like 5-6 feet high, the wind changes quite a bit.
Battery fell out.
Oh, battery fell out? But that's magnetic, right?
Yeah. In a way, it's good that the energy is dissipated. You know, it comes apart, but you can get it back together again.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, it would smash. So,
yeah, especially this slope. It creates a lot of turbulence. I'm sorry. It's,
yeah.
Yeah, so we are looking at the slope. So we are on top of the slope, but whenever you go over the slope or across it, you know, it plays tricks on you. The wind plays tricks on you, especially with small airplanes. They dip, they go suddenly high, down, up, down. You never know.
No, it's crazy flying these in the wind, especially this one. You have to just stay on top of it.
Yeah.
But that was okay.
No, that was a nice flight. Is there still juice in the battery?
Yeah. Yes.
Cool. I usually, when I'm flying against the wind, I try to do like figure eights and then try to always face the wind and never like take the wind to the tail.
I'll probably just kind of maybe.
Yeah.
I don't want to fly. I'll just kind of keep it up there.
All right. Well. Yeah.
Power into the wind, it's okay.
Yeah, into the wind it's okay, but as soon as you turn, maybe just like do not like full turns and then.
Yeah, I don't like that.
Yeah.
I think I'm just gonna try a left-hand turn, straight, and then just gonna kind of go.
But it is, considering the wind, it's doing great. You can almost
I have the power off now.
hover, so it's just gliding right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as you don't stall it, it's good. I wish they will bring this back with like stabilization. I wish somebody will
Beginners, yeah. I don't know about this.
like recreate it, like make a version 2 of this. Maybe one of the Chinese manufacturers, they can take this and put stabilization.
I wonder if this was made in China. It must, I don't know.
But I think, wow, that was a fast loop. I couldn't even catch that. Let me zoom out. Oh. Okay. Nice and soft.
I'm not trimmed out, so I'm pushing down all the time. I don't. But
that was great flying. Thank you for sharing, Tim.
It's amazing the actuators. See how you can move it. They don't have much force.
No,
they're not
but
servos. They're just little magnet with a coil of wire, but it's enough.
But it is enough because it's so lightweight.
Yeah, I'd like to get that company Plantancro. I don't think they're around anymore.
No, I don't think.
But I'd like to get this equipment. I think you can get the actuators, but I don't know about the radio. I'll have to talk to you about the radio.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, we can take a look what platform they use, what module they use.
Yeah. I think I got this is the original battery. So the battery that I got a bigger battery. Is that like maybe an 80? I can't.
Or maybe
read
it's
that.
That's because it's bigger. It's making it fly a little faster. Maybe.
Yeah.
Nose heavy, so
you can see it's a little bigger.
Yeah,
but I still found it would go up. So I have a little bit of weight on the nose.
Yes.
Yeah, but that would make it go fast.
It looks like a little tail heavy somehow. Although you have a bigger battery, probably can get the battery even heavier maybe.
Yeah.
But it'll fly a little faster.
Seems
probably.
like it flies plenty long enough. So, but I like these. The little stick batteries, they're kind of a pain. I have some helicopters with a stick, it plugs in, it has the connectors built in. So anyway, I like these. You can get, 10 on Banggood or Amazon for like $10.
And maybe on eBay you may be able to find some of the parts or something like, people sometimes sell these, and if you find one that's not working, you can buy it and then use this for parts.
Also, I really only need the tiny
magnets.
Magnets.
Oh yeah.
They're like a 1/16 of an inch. This whole thing snaps together. They're in the body and in the push rod. So if I got those, I could make my own.
All right.
So I'm sure I could do those.
So this was the second plane. When are we going to see the third one?
All right, I'll work on that.
Okay. Looking forward to that.
If I can get this one to work, I can get it's a V-tail.
It's a V-tail, yes.
A Bonanza, one of those light craft with a V-tail. I flew it once. It was pretty fast. So it'll be like a tail and not a canard, but it'll be a fast flying.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to see that. Well, Tim, thank you so much for sharing this.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
All right.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.